Okay, for number 1, x is greater than or equal to 0, which means that it's bigger than anything on the y-axis. So this is your line, and it's anything over here. This is the distance formula, and we're trying to find which coordinate or which point on the coordinate plane is closer to point A, and point P is 1 and negative 3. Point Q is 8 and 9. And point A is 5 and 3. So we're going to plug PA and QA into the distance formula and see which one is smaller and therefore closer. So the distance of PA equals the square root of 5 minus 1 squared plus 3 minus negative 2 squared, and the distance of QA equals the square root of 5 minus 8 squared plus 3 minus 9 squared, and PA, which is this top one, comes out to the square root of 41, and QA comes out to the square root of 45. And since the square root of 41 is smaller, the distance of PA is smaller, and P is closer to A than Q. Okay, so we're trying to find the midpoint, and midpoint equals x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. So now we're trying to find the midpoint of 1 and 2 and 4 and 4. So it'll equal 1 plus 4 over 2 and 2 plus 4 over 2, which comes out to 5 halves and 3 as your midpoint. Graph by plotting points. Say your equation is y equals x squared minus 2, and you plug in negative 3 for x. Negative 3 squared is 9 minus 2 is 7. To graph that on the coordinate plane, say you have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Your point's going to come out right there. Example 5 is a repeat of example 4 with sketching graph by plotting points. So y, once again, equals x squared minus 2. And say we plug in 0 for x, y will come out to be negative 2.